Now, some people may ask, oh, why'd you go with the Duralast from AutoZone? Aren't they expensive?
It might be a little pricey, but they don't lack in material. And there's only a one-time fee thanks to their lifetime warranty.
Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to change your brake pads. A nice, easy way. First step is you have to open the brake fluid container. If you don't know where your brake container / fluids go, it should say .3 or .4 depending on the car you have. Second thing you'll need to do is loosen the lug nuts. You loosen all the lug nuts, you want to jack up the car like so. Make sure it's aligned, safe, and the rear brakes are on. Once you get the tire off, you're going to be presented with something like this. What you're going to want to do is go around the back. There is a bolt up top here, and there's a bolt on the bottom here. What you want to do is, this is the fastest, most efficient way to do this. What you want to do is take out this bolt right here. You gotta loosen this bolt right here. It could be a 14, a 15, a 12, a 13. Different cars have different size bolts. Check your car. And what you're gonna do is loosen it. I have already loosened it. And you're just gonna take it out. Like so. And then you're gonna grab the caliper and just lift up. Lift up. If it's giving you a hard time, get a screwdriver or a flathead and just pry it open like this, like so, like that. But in my case, it's not giving us a hard time, and we just lift it up. Now you're exposed to the brake pads and your brake caliper. Now you're free to do whatever you like without removing the whole caliper. Then, what you're going to want to do is get a bungee cord or a piece of rope or something, and you're going to want to hold this open so you can work right here. So you can take the brake pads out, put the new ones in, make sure everything is aligned, everything is good. What I did now is I got creative in my case, and I used my tool to take the lug nuts off to hold it back, like so. So what you're gonna do is just take them out. That's it, guys. That's all it is. Go to the back one and just pull it out. It's not rocket science or any of that. And that's it. Now just make sure that you set them out properly, like this. And this one came out like that. We set it down like this. So you know how to put in the new ones. So when you open the box, you're presented with a pack of lube, which is very important. 4 pads, of course. Inspect them, look at them, make sure they're not damaged, and a whole set of brand new hardware. So what you want to do now is grab your lube, crack it open, and start spreading it all over the edges of the pad. What this does is it prevents any brake noise, and it helps you slide it into place. Another quick tip, don't use these gloves that I have on because they simply suck. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit. So your end result should look something like this. A sandwich. Your pads should be like a sandwich on your rotors. The next up is you're gonna have to push this back. We're gonna push it back by hand? Absolutely not. What we need is a C-clamp. If you don't have a C-clamp, you need to get a C-clamp. So this is what a C-clamp looks like, guys. This is a small one. They come in different sizes. I recommend you get a bigger one. You're gonna wanna put your old brake pad between the caliper and the C-clamp and tighten it. That way you can push this thing back instead of struggling, like so. And then once you're all done, you just loosen it like so. Or you can let it drop. So you just bring down the caliper back into place. Make sure it's aligned with the back bolt, like so. And I'm gonna paint these calipers because they look like crap. But all you gotta do is put in that nut, tighten it with whatever size you used to loosen it with, and you're all set, guys. After you change the brakes, put your wheel back on. The last and final step is to, of course, put your cap back on for your brake fluid. And you're all set, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.